this is it. Goodbye, everyone.
What are you doing? Are you crazy? This isn't gonna solve anything. You gotta use this, it gets the job done much quicker. Ugh, amateurs.
You saved my life!
Indeed it did.
You really do care about me!
Well, maybe a little.
Want to be my boyfriend?
Absolute. Wait, what?
This is so great! We're gonna cuddle and kiss and have babies and...
Babies!
Hey, get back here, you!
Belly, let me in, quick! Ah! Open up, you son of a...
Well, hi, Cruncher.
Hey. Oh, yeah. Belly, you gotta hide me. I'm being chased by a crazy lady who wants to engage in inappropriate activities with me.
What are you talking about?
Crunchy, oh Crunchy Boo, where are you?
Hey, you've got an admirer.
But I don't want an inquirer. You gotta help me get rid of her, please.
All right. Keep your pants on. Here's what you do. Go out there and calmly tell her that you're not interested. There are plenty of fish in the...
Or we could just try to eliminate her.
Yeah, I guess that could work too.
Oh, Crunchy!
Okay, Cruncher, you raise the anvil while I place the bait.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Now, don't let go of the rope until I say so.
What, you mean like this?
No. Like the old explosive decoy trick never fails. We send this thing out to Crumbles, and before you know it, kabooby!
You said before.
Hey there, baby, it's me, Bob here with the flesh. Let's go out to dinner. What do you say?
Oh, sorry, I'm not into decoys.
Rejected. Woe is me. I have nothing to live for. Life is meaningless. What?
5, 4, 3, 2, what? Stupid ideas lead to stupid consequences. This time, we're gonna keep things simple. I'll throw this bone as hard as I can, and she'll run far away.
Bone, run, far away. Wait, what were we saying?
Hey! Why isn't she trying to catch it? And I thought this plan would really... Cruncher? Hey! I thought you dogs loved bones.
That, is a crude, tasteless stereotype.
give up.
Don't touch me. I've had enough. We tried everything we could to get rid of that lady, and there's nothing else we can do.
Actually, there is one thing we haven't tried. Hello? Wait, hold it. Before you say a word, just hear me out. You see, when we first met, I thought you were deranged, obsessive, and mentally unstable. I have no idea what any of those words mean, but now I finally realize that you're sweet, caring, adorable, tender, and a well-developed character with so much depth.
Are you saying you want to be boyfriend and girlfriend?
No. We should be husband and wife.
Why not?
Come on, baby. Let me take you on a magical mystery tour.
Oh, boy!
Whoa there! Are you out of your mind? This is dangerous!
Belly, danger is an anagram for garden. Gardens are safe places, therefore, this is safe. Okay, goodbye forever, Miss Crazy Lady.
Wait, no! Egads! We're in the H word.
Oh well, at least we'll never see that screwball again.
Don't be so sure.
Oh, Lucy in the sky with diamonds. Ah! Ah! Ah!